Hello everyone, it is still group 4 of phonics. Yesterday we did special friend O sound, and well done everyone. I enjoyed seeing what you got up to with your O work, so well done. Today we're moving on to another special friend, I. We'll get there in a minute. We've got 4 jobs today. The first one is listening to me and writing down the sound from our grid. The second thing is working as a team. We're going to build some O words using our tiles. Number 3, I'm going to introduce you to our special friend I. And last but not least, number 4, you'll need to go on your class dojo and match the 3 words which have I in it. So make sure you've got your pencil and your paper, or your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen. Get ready to listen to the sound I'm saying so that you can write it down. I'll say the sound 2 times and you can pause the video if you need to. The first sound to write is If you need longer, then pause the video between each sound. The next sound to write is The next sound to write is D. Remember, it starts with a caterpillar. D. The next sound to write is J. J. Just one more sound. The sound to write is K. And I'd like you to do the kicking K, please. K. Well done, everyone. I hope that those sounds were easy to find on our grid, and it's okay if you're using the grid to check and to copy. It's not cheating, it's helping your learning. Right, now we're going to look at our O words. You can keep your pen and paper ready, but you don't need it right this second, so put your things down that you don't need. It might be a good idea to get out your flashcards or your tiles from school and find the same letters as me. So B, O, K, T, and G. Go and find your tiles of B, O, K, T, and G. When you've got your tiles, we are ready to start. The first word we're going to build together is this one, goat. You can see from my dots and dashes that there's 3 sounds in goat. 1, 2, 3. Try sounding out goat yourself by clapping it out now. Listen carefully. Did you sound out like this? G, O, T. Let's do it again together with the actions. Are you ready? G, O, T. Now you've got a choice. You can either pause the video and build goat yourself with your tiles, or keep watching now and do it with me. Here we go. G. What comes next in goat? G, O. Where's O? Here it is. G, O, T. We've done it. G, O, T. If you've got your pencil and pen there now, you can write goat. Pause the video until you're ready to carry on. I'm going to put the letters back. We finished goat, and now we're going to do coat. Goat, coat. They rhyme. They've got the same sounds at the end. Let's sound out coat. Why don't you try on your own first? Oh. Let's do it with the actions. Oh. Let's build it. If you'd like to, you can do it on your own if you don't need me. Let's sound out again to see what's next. Oh. Oh. Coat. We've done it. Oat. That's so funny. If I swap the k and the g, we go from coat to g. Oat. Goat. Let's see. Does our last word rhyme? Coat, goat, boat. Yes, it does. Let's sound out boat and see which part we need to swap. Can you sound out first? You try. Here we go. B. O. T. Can you work out which sound I need to change to make goat look like boat? See if you can make the change with your tiles at home. I need a B at the start. But I don't need a G anymore. Let's see if that says boat now. B. O. T. What do you think? Am I sounding out boat? B. O. T. Yes! Fantastic! Make sure that you've had a go at making goat, boat and coat from your tiles. And if you'd like to, you can write them down. Let's move on to our new sound. Today we're learning another special friend. And the special friend today is I. Can you say I? I. Try doing the gesture like me. I. The little boy is going to a fancy dress party. He dressed as a sailor, so he stands to attention and salutes, saying, I. Can you do it one more time? I. To make our special friend I, we need an I and an E. But when we see them together like this, we say I. I'm going to sound out these words for you. Can you say the word I'm sounding out? Try and say it out loud as soon as you know it. T. I. Tie. I. Lie. P. I. Pie. D. I. Die. Lots of those words weren't on our screen today. We need to practice the sound I. Get your pen and paper ready, or your pencil and or your pen and your whiteboard pen, whatever you're using to write on. It's good if you've got a line to practice on too. Let's all do our special friend. Here we go. I. Can you write I like me? Let's do it a second time. I. Just check that you're making your letters exactly like me. Let's do I for a third time. Down with a tail and a dot. No footballs, please. I. How about a fourth time? I. Very good. And one more time for luck. I. Make sure that you've written I 5 times, please. Your final job today is on Class Dojo worksheets. You're sounding out these 3 words. Let's just check that you know what the pictures are. We've got a tie. This is Pinocchio and he tells a lie. And this is a delicious pie. Maybe I could put the words in a sentence for you. The teacher wears a tie. Pinocchio told a lie. I like to eat apple pie. Try reading these words on Class Dojo today, and if you'd like to, of course you can write them. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow when it's Friday Refresh. We'll be thinking back on all of the sounds that we know already. Bye!